Welcome to 6 Village Drive, located in the sought-after community of Wes-li Gardens here in Smithville. My name is Peggy Cook from the Wayne Skilstra team of Remax Escarpment. Let's take a look. Tucked on a quiet dead-end street in a friendly Smithville neighborhood, 6 Village Drive offers peaceful, low-maintenance living. Enjoy one-floor convenience with indoor comfort and outdoor charm. A perfect place to downsize without giving up space or style. If you want to call this home yours, then give me a call to book your private viewing at 289-339-3751.